My father, the sense I get is my going to Jewish day school made him want to have more of a voice as a positive secular Jew. I think he's grown up in that context, and he's always kind of like, he's always embraced it, but he hasn't done the work that you kind of need to do to be a secular Jew and to have it be something that is, transferable, and so, he pushed me to go to the Workman's Circle Sunday school for a year or two before I pushed back and was like, you already got me going to Schechter 5 days a week, and I'm ambivalent about that as it is. I don't want to go to a place where it just feels like it's bagels and cream cheese. I get it.